welcome back to the channel. For those that are new here, my name is Jay, and today we're going to be taking a look at the GoPro Hero 5 Black. And together, you and we're going to decide if this camera is still good in 2021 and able to produce some really good content. Let's take a look. Before we get started, if tech is something that you're into, then please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you like these types of videos, then please leave a like on the video. That way, the YouTube algorithm can be nice to this video. The GoPro Hero Black was introduced in September of 2016 with a very hefty price tag of about $399. I was lucky enough to grab one around that time, and truth be told, I still use it to this day. You see, I've learned that when you have a device and you truly understand its strengths and weaknesses, you'll have a tendency to use it the correct way. That's just some food for thought. So this camera shoots at 4K up to 24 and 30 FPS. But keep in mind, the field of view on this camera and those shooting modes will give you that super view and that wide view, which is that standard GoPro Hero action camera footage. The camera also shoots 2.7K and 1080p at 60 FPS. And in those shooting modes, you can get that linear field of view, which is the typical standard camera view. Here's a quick example of 4K at 30 with the GoPro settings on standard, shot in wide view. Now here's a clip of 2.7K at 60 FPS, shot in linear view. And last but not least, this is 1080p at 60 FPS, shot in super wide view. As you can see, all these shooting modes look really nice for an almost 5-year-old camera. Just a few things to note about this camera. It can shoot time-lapse in photo and video mode. It can also take photos, and on top of that, you can use this camera with voice commands. Now, one of the biggest drawbacks to this camera is gonna have to be the internal audio. To me, the internal audio is not usable, but you can counteract that by adding an external microphone to this camera. And also, another side note, you will need a GoPro adapter like this one in order to connect an external microphone to this camera. Now, before we wrap this video up, I wanna show you guys my current Hero 5 setup that I am using right now in 2021. So can you use this camera in 2021? I would say yes, and I will continue to recommend this camera for at least another few years. You can also find this camera on eBay for about 120 to 130 bucks, and with the features that it has, I think it's a great deal. And with that being said, guys, if you have found this video helpful in any way, please leave a like so that the YouTube algorithm will be nice to this video. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to see any more tech videos, reviews, or any type of tech tips. It's been your man Jay, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.